Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. My name is Gulsan. Today this is the first time I am doing a blog. In this blog you are going to learn so many sentences that you can use in your day-to-day life. So this blog is going to be very interesting for you, very informative. There are a lot of sentences that you are going to learn from this blog. So make sure that you watch this video till the end, and you will learn a lot of things. I live in a small village and I always said that, but I never showed you anything about that. So today I thought, why not share all those things that I told my viewers. So that is why I decided to shoot a little blog. It's not going to be that longer. So I am going to be shooting this blog from here. I am not at home right now. I am 2 to 3 kilometers far from my home. So you can see literally there are wheat corpse bundle collected over there, and you can see. So this is where I'm going to start my blog from, and you are going to learn so many things from this blog. So make sure that you watch this video till the end. I am going to show you my farm. Like, there are hills out there that I am going to show you, and you are going to enjoy, I think. And this is my first time that I am doing blog, so if I make mistakes, don't mind that, because there are people out there, so I might hesitate while speaking in English. So don't mind that. That's what my message will be for you. Okay, you can see the background. Harvesting time is going on. This is wheat crops harvesting time. This time there are a lot of people you will see in the field harvesting wheat crops, and I wanna show you through my rear camera. It's actually don't work in my phone. It's not working. Okay, I am going to show you from my front camera. You can see harvesting time going on. If you visit my village this time, you will see a lot of people in the fields talking to each other and harvesting wheat crops, and they are enjoying harvesting, talking to each other, and you can feel the energy in the field. Literally, this is what you will feel if you visit my village. And I am walking through, you can see wheat crops. Maybe I can walk on the line. Okay, this is what, let me show you my farm. This is my farm. This is my farm, from down there to up there. Let me show you what my mom is doing. My mom is harvesting wheat crops. Let me show you. Okay, you can see background. There is one boy taking care of his cattle. He's not even paying attention to me, what I'm doing. What a man, yaar. No one. Huh? I'm shooting a blog. This is my mom. She is harvesting, as I told you, wheat crops. Today let me show you one more interesting thing. This is kind of hut in which my uncle used to live in order to protect our crops from animals. And let me show you one more interesting thing of my village. There is, you can see, a hill, and there are a lot of hill like this here. You can see my village is surrounded with hills, and here in my village there is fresh air. You can feel if you visit here, and there are a lot of people, supportive people you can find in my village. And you can see the background. This is morning time, so actually my farm is 1 to 2 kilometers far from my home. You can literally listen to the birds that are chirping. You can see, you can feel the vibe here. That's the part I like the most about a village. There are people that I don't want to show you because I don't want to go there. I don't want to disturb them. Even if I go there, I will be disturbed by them. That is why I am choosing not to go around people. Like people here are there, there are a lot of people harvesting their crops, but I don't want to go to them. Okay, so I want to show you. Now let me climb the little hill. I am going to climb. You can see the hill, and I am going to show you the view from up there. Yeah, this is the first time I'm doing a vlog in which I'm showing you everything about my village. You can see I have come here to especially show you the surrounding. Yeah, this is the village. This is the view you can see. I am in the woods. You can see the view. I'm not able to show you far from here because of the sun directly reflecting on my front camera. Okay, so this was something that I wanted to show you. This is the first time, and I am showing you to show you that no matter where you are, if you are trying to learn English, I am the living proof that you don't necessarily need an English environment to become fluent at this language. You can become fluent by practicing this language every single day. Even I don't feel confident sometimes. If I skip 2 to 3 days speaking English, I start feeling that I start losing that confidence. I start might not be able to speak English fluently if I skip 2 days in a row. So that is why I'm never skipping practicing English, because I don't have anyone in my village, and this is the medium through which I am sharing my English fluency journey. I am also becoming fluent day by day. So communication skill is something that is never ending process. The more you will practice communication skills, the better you will get at it. I was on the top of that little hill. Now I am climbing down, and I have to climb down carefully because there are a lot of stones. If I collide my legs to stones, I might hurt my legs, and that is why I have to watch out. I'm walking on the lane, and there is a guy not paying attention to me as if I don't exist. I don't mind that. Now I am going home as I am about to enter my village. You can see Nal Tanki. So I am in the village right now, walking on the road, and there are no people on the road. I think they have all gone to harvest wheat crops. I think there are no, like whenever I cross this road, there are a lot of people, and I ride my cycle very carefully. This is where I want to end this vlog, because there were all the things that I showed you. If you tell me in the comment section that make more vlogs like this, I'll definitely make. But that's all for today. Let's see what up next. Okay, so bye bye. If you found this video helpful, I want you to hit the like button and subscribe button too, because it motivates me to make more videos. Bye bye.